Hello, so in this video I will explain how to use layers in FormIt application. So layers are below the materials, and layers are a very important part in modeling. Layers are used in a lot of other modeling applications, AutoCAD, Revit. In Revit we have groups or categories and other similar tools like layers. Also, layers are used in Photoshop and other graphical applications. So if I want to filter objects quickly in my project and I want to manage my views, it would be nice to have specific layers for all my objects. So let's start by creating two layers for my table. And sofa. So let's select this object and let's assign this layer. And let's click Shift, hold it, and select all the table groups and select table. Now let's see if the layer works. It works nicely and my objects are nicely grouped. Additional thing for layers, we need to also assign layers into deeper objects in our group. So in this case I need to go to group edit mode by double click on the group, select all inside parts of my table and assign the same table. Or I can create additional layers by assigning table legs, table topping, and so on. And I can click finish after I do this step. This part is important because when you upload all objects in a Revit application, levels will work only if level option is assigned to the deeper layers of object. If it's assigned to the group, in most cases it will not work very nicely. And if I created my object and I don't want to move it, I can lock it by using this one, lock, and it will not be possible to select this object or edit it. So it's very nice option if you want to edit specific objects and you don't want to change or modify other objects. And also when I assign layer, I can go to properties and I see the layer assigned to the object. Thank you.